Hi guys, today we're going to go ahead and take a look at how to root your Pixel 4 or Pixel 4 XL. I actually made that guide last month on, well, almost 2 months ago now, September 7th. That was actually the guide for rooting Android 10 when Android 10 came out for Pixel 3, Pixel 3a, and all the rest of the Pixels. But I just used the same guide to root my Pixel 4 XL. So it works just fine. It's the exact same method. You can see I'm fully rooted here. Everything installed, even my safety net passes, which is really good. This is not going to give you twerp. You will have to install twerp later when it's available for Android 10. I'll have an updated guide, but basically, if you have a brand new Pixel 4, if you want to root to your Pixel 4 or Pixel 4 XL, go to this how to root Android 10. Just type how to root Android 10 HighOnAndroid on Google and you'll find this article. For some reason, if you just type, I made the first guide on how to root Android 10. You'll see my video, but for some reason, Google's been like, basically I don't show up on Google at all. I don't know why this is, like something wrong with Google algorithm. Anyway, you can just find it. Just put HighOnAndroid after, so you can actually find my site, how to root Android 10. And you will see this one here, how to root Android 10. Very easy to do. You'll have to first unlock the bootloader. Go ahead and follow my universal guide. This I also made a couple years ago. It's been working for all the Pixels, so I'm not gonna make another new guide just because a new phone come out. I just used my own guide today to unlock the bootloader, and I followed my own guide to root. Now for factory devices, factory firmware, double check that you have. The one I used was this one, obviously, because that's the latest firmware for my Pixel 4 XL. Now when you unlock the bootloader, it's going to erase everything on your phone, so make sure you back up everything. Now Pixel 4 and Pixel 4 XL, they don't offer unlimited storage of the original quality, but you can actually pay for it. I only pay $1.99 per, was that per year? Yeah, per year. You get 100 gigabytes for just $2. Then you'll have the option to actually store all your photos and videos in original quality. So I've already, it's been already backing up, so that's why I don't have to back it up, which is really nice. Just a little tip for you guys. So just go ahead and download the latest firmware, follow this tutorial, and I've also updated the canary. I know some of you were having trouble with the canary version because what happened was that developer John Woo was actually moving servers for the canary server, so I had the old version on there, and then it would just not work because it was the old version, so I updated. Or you can just go ahead and download the original. Just go ahead and type Magisk Canary and download from XDA. You'll get the latest here. You can just download the latest version also, whatever you want to do. I just put it on my site because it's easier to find. Sometimes these sites go down. Just better to have it all in one source. But just go ahead and follow this, and you'll have a fully rooted Pixel 4 or Pixel 4a in no time. I did it in literally like 5 minutes. Unlock the bootloader, well, maybe 10 minutes. It took me 5 minutes to unlock the bootloader on the Pixel 4 XL. And then it took me another, like, it was just a few codes. Really easy. You can use Linux, Mac, or Windows. I was using Windows 10. You can use any kind of Windows. Also, you can use Chromebook. Go ahead and download the ADB from the Chrome App Store. Then you can just use the same commands as Windows. But I have all the commands also for Linux and Mac, so you can pretty much do it on many different devices. So that's really nice. That's another great thing about Pixel devices, that you can use all kinds of different computers to root your device. That's pretty much it. Sorry, I'm not actually showing you how to root this, but I already have made the guides. So why do I have to make this guide again for you guys? This is the exact same thing, and I made it so this will be future proof and you guys will use it. The only thing different for unlocking bootloader, I've added this here for Android 10 devices, newer devices. The developer option menu is not in the settings menu anymore. You have to go to settings, system, advanced, and then you'll see developer options, but everything else is the same. Anyway, hit the thumbs up for making this tutorial last month, way before Pixel 4 came out. So you guys already have a tutorial on how to follow. So just go follow it. I'll put the link to the tutorial in case you guys are too lazy to Google it. And I know Google sometimes, like I said, it's like deranking my site. Why are you doing that, Google? Terrible. Anyway, have a great day. As always, stay on Pixel 4.